It started with just an idea and a quiet hope that something beautiful would grow. Day by day, the beans began their quiet climb, reaching, curling, wrapping themselves around each part of the trellis, like it had always belonged to them. The leaves unfurled like little green prayers, stretching toward the morning light. Every time I stepped into the garden, it looked different, fuller, softer, more alive. And before I knew it, the whole thing had become something wild and wonderful, a living wall of green, grown from scratch and tended with love. Come see how it began. Keep watching to see how I brought it to life. So I am making a makeshift trellis out of garden stakes I got at Home Depot, or you can get them at Walmart. A veggie trellis. This is one packet, which is 5 by 10 feet. I'm stretching it out lengthwise. The 10 feet is going to go lengthwise and 5 feet tall. And I've got pole beans that I will be growing, hopefully up this makeshift trellis. It's a lot cheaper than buying a hard trellis. They can cost anywhere from, $20 to $50. So this was at Walmart, and then I'm securing it with these garden clips. I got those at Dollar Tree. I used these last year. They were $1 and they worked all year, so I only had to replace a few. And I have this one, 2, 3, 4. So let's see how it goes.